It doesn't matter if these things get wet. Quick! Let's save the cacti! This one is Princess, that's Penny, and Boo has Pablo. Uh-oh! Pablo took the last spot. Yeah, we still have these cactuses. I'll take care of this baby cactus. I love her little pink flower. Okay, and we can use these big leaves to cover Pete and Petunia. One for Petunia and one for Pete. It's worked! But we'll never get a leaf over that big one. We have to save Peppo Bop! He's Granny's most favourite cactus! It's not raining yet, Lara. We still have time. Oh, carrot sticks! Raindrops! Oh, no! Poor Pepe!
Cabbages. It looks like my tacos are going to get all wet.
Never fear, honey bun. Presenting my amazing flying brolly.
Hooray!
We need a cover like that for Pepe! Do something, Bop!
Like what?
Anything! Oh, what if we use that big basket to cover Pepe, Lara?
Wow! Brilliant idea, Boo.